All right, hey guys, so I just got back from Colorado. I got little Red here. She's pretty dirty, and I'm going to try out something new that was sent to me, and we'll see how well we can get her cleaned. This stuff's called Muck Off Snow Foam, and this waterless wash high performance stuff here. So we're gonna check it out, see if it does what it says it'll do, make all that mud disappear, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know. So I read the directions a little bit here, and this is a very nice pre-treatment is what it is. So it's going to get in there. It says it'll rapidly remove the dirt and grime. Obviously you guys can read that. And it's got a cranberry crush smell to it, so it smells amazing. But yeah, you're going to use this as a pre-soak basically, and put it through a pressure sprayer, and it's going to spray out a nice little foam all over the bike. And then after that, you should simply be able to spray off all the mess, and it should be nice and pretty. And if you want to get in, you can do your little waxing detail and stuff later. And then for this one, if it's just like you know, you don't want to do all that other extra work, it says you can literally just spray this on the bike where the dirt is and then wipe it off. So I am going to use that one first on part of the bike, and then I'll probably go back to that one and test it out in different spots. All right, here goes. A little close-up look of before, and I'll show you guys the after once we get the bike all cleaned up with this new product. So the typical mud, you know, in there, the suspension, all the normal good stuff. All right, here we go. Let's clean it. All right, so I just hit it with the pre-wash stuff here. We got already some mud dropping off down there. It's getting in there. It's gonna do its magic, penetrate all the grime. You can see through their discoloration, that's where it's doing its thing. It's mixing up with all the grime, and the chemicals are chewing it up. Getting her clean. See the end result. All right, guys, I sprayed it on, I sprayed it off. Didn't do anything else to the bike other than wipe it down with a rag, and that was just to dry it. As you can see, the engine is pretty nice. Swing arms looking good. All the dirt and grime up there's gone now. The Racetech suspension's looking brand new. I like it. All in all, I think it did pretty well. I'll probably go over it with some wax just to make it shine. But other than that, I think it did very well. So it's got a thumb up for me.